YG43 here. Welcome to Walkin with Swagg. We got special guests. Yo, faggot, turn it. Yeah, there you go. Awesome moon pie. And yo, it's the second episode. Yo, we're gonna be recording Walkin with Swagg. Look at this nigga here.
That's your name now. This nigga.
This nigga here.
Yeah.
Boy, can't you just like step on Ant-Man?
No, because he's like super strong, so you step on him and he'll throw you.
So you just okay, yeah, where's the logic in that?
It's called movies.
Man, but still, at least Spider-Man got some logic, like he like gets bit by like a spider. Yeah, he gets bit by a spider.
Yeah.
What is Ant-Man, huh?
Look, you know what's the logic with Spider-Man? What does he swing on?
Oh, he gets to,
in the city, he's swinging on clouds?
Kid. Awesome moon pie. Tell me the story behind your hair right now. It must be touching, isn't it?
He got attacked by a woman with cancer. That's what happened. That's messed up.
Oh, that's fucked up.
Yeah,
you don't. Fuck.
She splashed her cancer titty milk.
Oh my god.
That was so... That's not even funny.
That juice was mad good.
What?
The juice in your big sister's party. Remember, she gave me a cup full of her juice. Yo, she invited me to the best party ever. The juice?
You don't want to start this right now.
Why not?
Don't do this.
Dude, it was delicious.
Don't start
it was
this.
Good. It was so good.
Don't!
Oh, yo, let me try it. Fruit punch was delicious. Yeah, join the light side. That's all I do, 2 plus 2, right? Or
The dark side.
oh god, no. You see, Jose's a badass because he joined both sides.
What do you think my hair's so awesome?
Yeah! Oh shit! Join the dark side! Does the dark side have cookies, brownies? Like, what does it have?
Cake!
Oh, really? I mean,
I think cake.
I see like,
Chocolate.
I see memes all over the place. Like,
It's cake. It's chocolate rain.
dark side has chocolate rain.
Yes. Haven't you ever seen that video?
Really? Chocolate rain? It's so good, man. Chocolate.
Rain.
I want some chocolate rain.
No!
Professional! Oh god! Oh god!
Hey!
Whee!
You see that? He used momentum.
Momentum? Momentum! Yo. Hey, look at this bag.
Oh god!
Look at that bag. See that? Oh? Say it to my face. Say it to my face. Oh my! You touched my hair! Hey. Sexual noises are prohibited.
By law?
By law. Prohibited. That's what I thought. Go home. Go to sleep. You have school tomorrow. Sup? It's me again. I'm not sure if you guys knew this about me, but I am a really hardcore anime fan, and I know this may be out of nowhere, but, I just want to let y'all know that, that's me right there. I watch a lot of anime, especially Naruto. It's one of my favorites. So, me and Awesome Moon Pie, we put up a page on Facebook so you can create your own character or whatever and put it in a... Anyways, that's besides the point. The point is, y'all should check that out. Y'all know more about me now. And subscribe, like, all that. Love. Peace.